Have you ever noticed how life has a funny way of teaching us what truly matters? When we're young, the world feels like a giant race. We're told to dream big, chase after monumental achievements, and constantly push for more. More success, more recognition, more possessions. It's a whirlwind of ambition, a relentless pursuit of the next big thing. We're climbing ladders, breaking barriers, and trying to build an empire, often without stopping to ask ourselves why. We believe that happiness is a destination, a grand prize waiting at the finish line of all our hard work. But then something shifts. As the years pass, life gently humbles you. It's not a sudden event, but a slow, quiet realization that unfolds over time. You start to see the world through a different lens. The frantic energy of youth begins to settle, replaced by a calmer, more reflective state of being. It's like a storm that finally passes, leaving behind a clear, quiet sky. The constant noise of external expectations starts to fade, and you begin to hear your own inner voice more clearly. You find yourself letting go of the need to impress others. The desire to have the biggest house, the fastest car, or the most prestigious job title starts to lose its grip. You stop chasing the big, flashy things that once seemed so important. You realize that these external markers of success don't necessarily equate to internal peace or genuine happiness. In fact, you might discover that the relentless pursuit of them was a source of stress and anxiety, not fulfillment. Instead, you start to find immense joy and value in the little things. Suddenly, the simple, quiet moments become the most precious treasures. A warm cup of coffee in the morning, enjoyed in silence before the world wakes up. The feeling of the sun on your skin during a long, unhurried walk. The comfort of a good book and a cozy blanket on a rainy afternoon. These small, everyday experiences start to feel like luxuries. They are the building blocks of a truly contented life. You begin to cherish alone time, not as a sign of loneliness, but as a vital opportunity to recharge and reconnect with yourself. You prioritize getting enough sleep, understanding that a well-rested mind and body are the foundation for everything else. You find profound peace in nature, whether it's a walk in the park, tending to a small garden, or simply watching the clouds drift by. You recognize that these moments aren't just empty time. They are essential nourishment for the soul. And most importantly, you cultivate deeper connections with your loved ones. You understand that time spent with family and friends is the most valuable currency you have. It's no longer about large, extravagant gatherings, but about meaningful conversations, shared laughter, and being fully present with the people who matter most. You learn to listen more and talk less, to offer support without judgment, and to appreciate the unique beauty of each relationship. This shift isn't about giving up or settling for less. It's about redefining what more even means. It's a conscious choice to trade chaos for calm, complexity for clarity. Simplicity becomes the ultimate goal. You learn that happiness isn't something you chase. It's something you cultivate right here, right now, in the small, beautiful details of your daily life. It's about creating a life that feels good on the inside, not just one that looks good on the outside. So if you find yourself feeling this pull towards a simpler existence, embrace it. It's a sign of wisdom, a quiet truth about aging and happiness. It's the journey of stopping the chase and finally truly starting to live. Thanks for watching, and if this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more reflections on mindful living. See you next time.